What's up, everyone? This is my charging setup for my Tesla. I actually installed this outlet a while back for my electric dryer. I actually put it on a 50 amp breaker, which I now changed it to car charger, but that's it right there, 50 amp breaker. But I switched over to a gas dryer many years ago, so I wasn't using that. So when I got my first Tesla Model 3, I just, ran a cable right here to outside. Yes, this is where the cable come out the wall, goes right into this RV box. It wasn't too difficult to install. It's plugged in as we speak. It's currently charging the car right now. This charging setup cost me about $60 total. That's including the electric plug for the either electric stove. I got that from Home Depot for about less than $20, and then I got the RV outlet for about a receptacle for about $30, and then the rest of the stuff was just elbow grease, some wires that I scraped around from around the house. So it's pretty inexpensive, and it does the job just fine. 30 miles an hour is 29 whatever is more than enough to charge a car overnight. Take about 4 to 5 hours a night while I'm asleep to charge it, and sometimes I cut it down to like 25 amps, just to be on the safe side. There you go.